Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes for kids, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, some milk, and 1 egg. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a small pinch of salt for the perfect rise. A little sugar also adds a delightful sweetness to the batter, making them extra tasty for your little ones. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, making sure they are thoroughly mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together all the wet ingredients until smooth. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix just until everything is combined. Overmixing can make your pancakes tough, and we want them light and fluffy. With your batter ready, let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. You can add a little butter or oil if needed. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface. This is your cue. Once you see them, carefully flip the pancake and cook until golden brown on the other side. Perfect. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are now ready to be served. Get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. For extra fun, use cookie cutters to make exciting shapes once the pancakes are cooked. Your kids will absolutely love these homemade treats. And hey, if you're looking for more great recipes or just a good read, check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your pancake feast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.